Why business needs a website? Hi Cyberspace family, it's Dilshan, and today we are talking about something crucial for every business in 2024. Why you absolutely need a website? Let's dive in. First, credibility. A professional website instantly boosts your business credibility. In today's digital world, customers expect to find you online. No website, you might be losing potential customers who think you are not legit. Next, visibility. A website make your business visible to a global audience. Whether someone searching for your service at 2 a.m. or 2 p.m., your website is always there, ready to showcase what you offer. But it's not just about being found. A website is your marketing powerhouse. With the right SEO and content, you can attract new customers and keep them engaged with your blogs, news and updates. And let's talk sales. An e-commerce website can sell your products or services 24/7. Imagine making money while you sleep. It's like having full-time salesperson who never clocks out. Plus, a website is essential for your growth. It allows you to expand beyond your local area, reaching a broader market. More reach means more potential customers and more opportunities for your business. Here at Cyberspace, we understand the importance of having a website that works for your business. We specialize in creating websites that not only look great but also drive results. So if you are ready to take your business to next level, hit that follow button, like this video and share it with your friends. Let's build something amazing together. See you in the next video. Thank you.